gonna show you how to create the product list page based on category. First, go to your website and /admin. Okay, log in with your username and password. And then in this case, I will create new category, for example. This category. Save. Add catalog. This product 001. Stock 20. Solution. And this the important things you need to bound the catalog to the category you want to show it. Choose image, save, new catalog, name, sales price, quantity. I want the catalog under this category. Now we got two new catalog under test category, and now we will create new page as with name new test category. Go to the menu and then add menu, top menu, no parent. We will title it category. I will choose type is category. URL, I will choose the test category. Okay. As you can see, you have no test category menu now, but after I save this menu and refresh it, you will have got new menu with name test category, and then when I click it, it will show your list product. Okay, so this is it.